Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem PayPal gift card. To get started, you want to go ahead and open your web browser. I'll be using Chrome for this one. And you want to type paypal.com. You want to click on enter. You want to go ahead and log in. That's my email right there. You're going to enter my password. You want to click on login. Alright, I'm gonna say not now. Alright, this is my PayPal account. To redeem your PayPal gift card, what you need to do is to click on the three lines at the top left corner here. And you want to click on wallet. And you want to go ahead and click on link card. Right, so once you're here, what you want to do is to go ahead and enter your credit card number. You want to go ahead and enter the expiry date and then also enter the security code, which is a CSC code. And then you want to go ahead and enter the billing address. All right, so I have everything set here. So once you've entered this, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on link card. On the next page, you'll be able to enter your PayPal gift card details and redeem it. Guys, this is how to redeem your PayPal gift card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.